Hey, my name is Jarrett. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of these outdoor pool chairs. I really love this chair. I've actually had this chair for about more than 2 years now, and it sits outdoors all year round down in the hot sun down here in the south. It sits out here in all weather, and this is the shape that it stays in. The color of this chair was brown. It has faded over 2+ years worth of time. However, it has been outside all year round. So if this was kept indoors or kept in a shed, this would stay more of a darker color, but it has done a really good job. The sides of the chair, the armrests are still really good. There is some nice comfort when you lean back in the chair. It is comfortable. I can enjoy sitting out here to have my coffee and enjoy the weather. It is easy to fold up. You take the chair and you can just literally fold it right up in shape and lay it right against the wall there, or put it whatever you'd like. And it is very, very light. I can lift it up just like so, probably about 5 or so pounds or less. I really enjoyed this furniture. It came in a set of 2. So if you've got company, you'll have someone to sit with as well in the chair. I'd take a look at it. It's worked really well for us.